Hello guys, nice to meet you here. My name is CC and this is our second video on our YouTube channel. In our channel we are presenting mainly our CNC super machine called E-Mastertool, and of course we are presenting a various kind of items processed with our devices: laser engraving, milling, carving, laser cutting, cutter plotting, or pen plotter, or as a pen plotter, excuse me. Today we'll present you a very nice and interesting product, realized of course with our CNC machine E-Mastertool, milling and carving. Let's have a short look to our nice finished product. You see, it's a wall map realized on a plywood sheet of 8mm thickness. Okay, you see on the plywood sheet we realized the contour of the continents, the title wall map with a rectangle around, and the borderline, of course. I'll let you a few seconds to have a look. You see, it's nice. Cool. Okay. Now, let's see a little bit the colors on the wall map. We have a light blue, where we have oceans, seas and rivers. We have this nice copper color at the borderline, the rectangle around the title, and the contour of the continents. We have the chrome. We use the chrome for the title wall map and for this nice compass. I think you see quite well. Okay. Then we have terracotta color for the continents, to fill the continents with color, and also a metallic light green color, very nice, you see, and they create a reflexive nice effect. And also we need a clear varnish all over the surface. And now let's see our steps to realize this nice finished product. This product can be easily customized to write a text and or a name or names or a logo or a company name, whatever you want to write on it, very easy to add. Very important, you will find in our descriptions, for our video, you will find also as a gift a link to our SVG file for the entire product, together with the materials you need for this and all the steps, step by step. Okay, and now start very quickly with the steps. First of all, we need a plywood sheet. Okay, in the description you will find also the size of this plywood sheet, 8mm thickness. Then what we need is, of course, we need the super machine, CNC Router machine. What do we need for this milling and carving operations? I need a V90 degrees carving bit. Then we need an adhesive foli to cover the entire surface when we are milling and carving. And then we need several colored sprays to spray. First of all, we need this light blue. Again, let's have a look. This light blue color, the chrome here and for the compass, the copper for the borderline, the rectangle around the title and the contour for the continents, the terracotta color for the continents, and light metallic green here, and of course the clear varnish. First step, we spray the whole surface with this nice light blue. Second step, when it's dry, this first light blue layer, we cover it with a second layer of clear varnish. Third step now, when this clear varnish layer is dried, we apply very careful the adhesive foli on the whole of the entire surface, and be careful to avoid to form air bubbles between the foli and the surface, because they will make you a lot of troubles if you don't get rid of them. Okay, now next step, after we stick the foli on the entire surface, we put our nice piece of plywood with the adhesive foli on the working bench of the CNC machine. And we must have, of course, the edges, the length and the width of the plywood sheet parallel with the X and Y axis of the CNC machine. It's very simple to put this length parallel to keep the same distance to one way axis of the machine, and of course the other one will be parallel with the X axis. We'll tighten very well. You will see in the pictures and in the short video with the processing of this nice item. You will see our very simple and strong fastening system. Okay, next step, after we are carving everything, we take out from the working bench of the CNC machine our nice piece, and we spray first of all with crow, okay, the title and the compass. But be careful to use masking tape here and here in order to avoid the chrome spray to spray where you don't need it. Okay, then we put masking tape here and here, and we spray with copper spray all around where we have this nice borderline. Here when we have this rectangle around the walnut title and the contour of the continents and islands. Okay, next step, after these are dried, we unstick the portions of the continents of the foli, the interior of the continents, yes, and we spray with a nice terracotta spray the entire interior of continents and islands. Next step, when this first layer on the continents with terracotta spray is dried, we apply this very nice metallic light green, but somehow to make some visual effects, as you can see now again for a few seconds. You see in the light, nice effect. Okay, after that, final step, we unstick the whole rest of the adhesive foli and we apply the final clear varnish layer. Okay, and you obtain once again this very nice product which can be easily customized. You can have it on your house, in your office. You can offer it as a gift, a business gift, or to your child, or whatever you want. Of course, you can use any colors you want and make another super nice combination. This was our idea, and you can find these colors and all the details, materials, and very important, the SVG file for these nice products. Now, a few words about our YouTube channel. On our YouTube channel we are presenting, as I've told you, our super machine called E-Mastertool, which is a CNC machine. In this first video with an interesting item, you can see it working, milling and carving with a V90 degrees carving bit. Of course, we can provide professional services for digital design for any kind of customized item you might need for your own purpose or for your business or whatever. You can tell us what you want, what size, what kind of design you want, and we can provide the design entirely and supply you, for example, with an SVG file like this one. Okay. Now, let's have a look. This was our second video on our YouTube channel, and we presented you a very nice and interesting finished product. Every week we'll issue another short, let's say, video until 1st of May, when we upload our first part of the presentation, entire presentation of our CNC machine called E-Mastertool. You will see in this presentation that we have several sizes and powers for the motors and all the capabilities, all the devices and capabilities you can choose from our range of products. Of course, you have a main product and you can add the device for lasering, laser engraving and cutting, the device, for example, for milling, carving, dust shoe, a nose. You can also add the device for a blank plotter. With this device you can use also a knife for using this E-Mastertool machine as a cutter plotter. So next week we'll find here again presenting another interesting item for you together with a digital file. So now please give us a like, subscribe and ring the bell so you can receive notifications about our new video, and you can go to the link and download the file and have again your interesting and nice product we are offering you here in our presentation today, together with all the steps and the SVG file. Okay, have a nice day again. So we meet here again next week with a new product and other ideas, together with all the details and information you might need. Please do not hesitate to send us your comments and questions, and we try to make as possible as we can to answer all your questions and comments and give you everything you might need to realize nice products using our ideas and our, of course, E-Mastertool CNC machine. Okay guys, nice to see you again.